Hi guys, welcome to this activity of today, which is a typing test that I need you to do. So I need you to type this test. This is a 5-minute test. You have to click on the page www.typingtest.com. You go there on the page, and this is the page that is going to appear. Also, you have to put 5-minute test because it's 1, 3, and 5. So click on 5, and then text, sentences, and words. I want you to put test, and then you have to do this page in the computer. I'm doing it in the iPad so you can be assessment faster, and then you have to click on it, okay? And then click on it, and then type it. And this is gonna be last for 5 minutes. You have to do it 3 times. So after the first time, it takes I'm gonna do it with the 1 minute so you can see it, okay? So for example, this is a 1-minute test, but I'm asking the 5-minute, okay? So it needs to do 15 minutes. So this is 1 minute. I'm typing, and then you have to include commas. If it's commas, you have to include as and then every time that you click on space, it goes to another word, okay? So this typing test, I want you to do it in the computer, not in the iPad, not in the cell phone. If you don't have any computer, then you can go ahead and do it in the iPad, but I want you to learn how to type it in the computer. So as we can see here, we have 25 seconds left. I'm going to let the time spend. So you, as you finish after the 5-minute test, you have to see how you can click it again, because I want you to do it 3 times, not just 1. So we're gonna wait 10 more seconds, and then here it says how many words you got correct, how many words you have incorrect. After the 5 minutes that you're typing it, look, it appears your result. Can you see? So it says that you just type 2. The average person types 36 for every minute. Let's see how much you can type it in 5. All right. So once that you put it says analyze and practice, retake test, play typebrush, typing courses. So you have to click on retake test. You have to put 1 minute again. In your case, it will be 5, but in this case, 1 minute again, text, and then starting typing test, and then it's going to be a different paragraph again, and then you have to click on it and then start typing, okay? Again, start typing for over a minute. After you finish, it's going to be the same graphic as before. It's going to measure your typing. It's going to tell you if it's your average, if you're low or high, whatever. And I want you to take a screenshot of those 3 tests, because it has to be 3 different type of tests for 5 minutes each. You don't have to do it 1 minute. You have to include 3 tests for 5 minutes longer. And then after you finish, take a screenshot of the graphic where you have the 3 different results. So that's the page that I'm going to check, okay? And let's wait for the second time so you can see how the graphic appears, okay? It's 7 seconds left. Let's see how it appears. So it's all gone. Time's up. Let's see. It appears the graphic. Look. It appears the first test, can you see? And then the second one. And then you click again and retake test, and it's going to be up here the 3 based, okay? So after you finish the 3 of them, take a screenshot, and then you can send it to me through email. And that's it for today, guys. Take care. If you have any more questions, send me a text or email. Bye.